Creating financial discipline is going to be absolutely life-changing for the operational function of your business. If you are early on in defining what does operations look like in my service business, or what do I need to create, start with your finances. Start with what is the budget that I have to spend, and what does it roughly cost, for me to fulfill on, the specific services that I'm offering, the specific projects that I'm working on. You know, what does that look like? I always joke that finances tell the truth and then operations tell the truth, or the story between the truths. And so to me, it makes a lot of sense to begin with, okay, how much about am I spending? What does it cost me to fulfill on my services? What does it cost me to acquire a customer? How long traditionally, does it take for me to take somebody who's interested in working with me and then convert them into a paying customer? Those things can't happen unless we know where the money's going. And it's really actually pretty easy to track that. Additionally speaking, creating the discipline around your finances to really be in a position to manage your money according to the way that your business actually natively functions. So I read a book a while back called Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. Fantastic book if you're early on in kind of identifying this function inside of your business. And I'll just say, I am not a financial expert. I am not giving specific financial advice to anybody listening to this. However, what I do severely recommend to all of my clients who work with me is I say to them, I'm like, hey, listen, you need probably an in account, an out account, and then a profit account and a tax account. So those at least 4 accounts inside of your bank, wherever it is that you're managing your money. I manage my entire business on 6 accounts, 6 bank accounts. And I have a small business. I would say that some of my larger, companies, for example, have to have a little bit more complexity in the way that they manage their things. But if you're an early stage service provider, it can be as simple as that. For sure, absolutely defining again the budgets and how much you're spending, what the rough margins should look like, and then that way, once you have kind of that baseline established, then you can go a layer deeper and consider what are the operational metrics that contribute to those margins? What are the operational metrics that contribute to those budgets? I think a lot of us start with finance, or we will move right to, okay, the profit piece of things, right? Because we really want to know, like, where is our money going? And I think it's really helpful to just establish, like, how much do I need to spend in order to keep this machine moving? And what can I expect the machine to spit back at me in profit? Because at the end of the day, we're all in this business to be profitable, and to be able to reinvest into the growth of our organization and into ourselves and into all the things that we want to do. So making sure that we start with our finances is going to be hugely impactful. So again, make sure you have some financial discipline. Make sure you create some rules and some things around the way that you're spending and the way that you're earning, and accessing several different bank accounts for specific purposes inside of the business, I think is helpful. I highly recommend Profit First by Mike Michalowicz, and I hope that was helpful. Take care.